Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install the Mustang mirrors. We're going to use this plate. This plate's going to serve two purposes. First, it's going to be our template. So you're going to go in the door about 1 3/16 inches back from the leading edge, make you a mark. Then just line this up, get an even space between here and here and here and here, and then just mark it. Okay, we got our holes drilled for our studs. If you ordered the Mustang mirrors with turn signals, you're gonna drill one more hole. You can use your template to see where the hole's at. The template's going to go on the inside, just like this. Already got the curve in it for the door. Got to go over the studs, then you put your hardware on, and you're done. That's it.